look what just arrived. We've got another Solis 11.4 kilowatt inverter, and we've got the LG 16H battery. Guess the next step, gonna have to do an unboxing here, huh? All right, guys, let's get to the unboxing. So this is the Solis S6 EH1P 11.4K-H-US. It's a split phase hybrid inverter for home backup and storage. We'll do a full install and commissioning in the next video. Today this is all about unboxing and need to know stuff. Plan on 2 people to lift it. It's about 72 pounds out of the box. Let's open it up. I'll lay everything out as it comes. Alright, let's go ahead and open this thing up. First off, we've got the wall mount bracket. Got a box with some accessories here, some through-hole glands, and a USB antenna. Allen wrench, some screws, mounting screws, some ferrules, wire ferrules, got the patch cable for paralleling the inverters together. Then we've got the USB dongle. This is to connect to the SolisCloud. We'll get a closer look at all this stuff when I get it all unpacked. Alright. What do we got here? Got the acrometer, AGF-AE-D. So the good thing about this Solis is it comes with the meter and 2 CT clamps. And I think that's about it. Now the fun begins here. I think I'm going to cut the side of the box instead of lifting it up out of the box. All right, there we go. So let's get in a little closer on the subject. So starting over here, we've got a 3-hole, a 1-hole, another 3-hole. And this is the antenna for the USB to directly connect to the unit via the Solis app. We've got a wrench to open up the case here, some Torx screws, another set of screws, got the lag screws to mount the bracket on the wall, got some Ethernet connectors, RJ45s, and then we've got some wire ferrules. Small wire and for the bigger size wire. More screws. And then we've got the USB dongle that plugs in the bottom of the unit. And we've got the acrometer. And these are 200 amp CT clamps. Then for the inverter, here's the specs on it. Hopefully you can read that. It's got the Tigo rapid shutdown transmitter installed inside already. There's your DC disconnect. Bottom of the unit. This is where the logger plugs in. PV comes in. That's where your antenna screws into, the USB antenna. Got your COM 1, COM 2, rapid shutdown, battery, AC backup, AC grid ports. This side, we've got port for the Tigo antenna. We've got the rapid shutdown, the bypass, inverter on, inverter off. And there you can see the massive heatsink. Let me give you a better peek at that heatsink. So there you go, that's the heatsink on the back of the unit. There are no external fans. There is a small fan inside, but that only comes on under extreme heat. This unit is basically a sealed unit with no fans on the outside. Couple ports on the bottom here and the side. Then up here we've got the indicators. Can't really see them there, but I'll show you on this one. And this is what it looks like inside the unit. Let's go ahead and open this up, take a look, take a peek inside. Alright, my camera was upside down, I didn't realize it. We'll go back over this here. These are your PV connections. You've got 4 MPPTs. Then you've got your battery plus and minus over here. The backup port. And your grid port. Down here, you've got all your communications connections, RS-485s, you've got a CAN, you've got the connections for the batteries, dry contacts for an inverter, for a generator, or anything else that you want to program it for. You've got your parallel in and out. That's what the patch cable. This patch cable, you plug that into the parallel port on this one, and then into the parallel port on the other one when you're paralleling inverters, so they can communicate with each other. This is a line diagram. And there's a QR code if you want to download the manual. Got a fuse down in there. That is, can we read that? You can see it from here. It's an 80 amp fuse, 750 volts DC it looks like. So again, this is a split phase 120 240 volt output. It's a true split phase. It doesn't need a transformer to get to 120. transfer time is less than 10 milliseconds for backup. It's got a 10-second surge up to 20.5 kVA, and then the rated output current's 47.5 amps. It only works with high voltage batteries. Battery's got to be between 120 and 500 volts. And the comms to the battery can be CAN or RS-485. Now for mounting this thing, you want to plan for a vertical mount on a sturdy wall. If you're going to mount it against some drywall, make sure you get at least 2 studs. Remember, this thing weighs over 70 pounds, so if you're just going to lag it into some drywall, it's going to come down. So be forewarned. So that's the unboxing of the Solis S6 11.4K. It's got a solid outdoor chassis, 4 MPPTs, fast transfer to battery, and included meter and CT clamps. In the next video, we'll mount, wire, and commission the system. Drop your comments below so I can cover them in that video. And if you're interested in buying one of these inverters, Signature Solar has them back in stock now. And don't forget, you can use our coupon code to get 50 bucks off. I'm Ed, and I'll see you in the install. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I appreciate you. Adios.